So this helps understand what's happened on the other flashing. So if you see here, this flashing goes right up under the weatherboard, perfect. And this tile, I get my hand through, I can feel the top of it, goes all the way up to here, right up near the weatherboard. So I can push that down, back into place, and got a flashing and a tile pushing all the way up to the weatherboard. If we go over here, we've got the tile stopping well short of the weatherboard here. So when the tile gets put in, we've still got a huge gap. And then what's happened over time is, if you look in closely at this, there's a gap between this top batten and the timber where the weatherboard is, right? So we've got a good 80 mil from the top of the tile all the way back, and this whole flashing all the way along is sagging at the back. So there's no way to deal with this apart from get something in, attach it to the back of this timber so this flashing doesn't sag again.